Very good. All of you open your English course book. Open your English course book volume 2. We are going to learn new lesson. I am going to teach you new lesson. What's the lesson? The wind and the leaves. What's the lesson name? The wind and the leaves. What is the connection between wind and also leaves? Is there any connection? Yes. When the wind blows, the leaves may fall down. The tree shed their leaves. When the wind blows, what is wind? Moving air is called wind. What is the wind? Moving air is called the wind. When the wind blows, when the wind is blowing, then the leaves may shed down. The tree shed their leaves. That is the connection between leaves and also wind. Nana, did you observe one thing? In one season and one of the Rutu, the trees may shed their leaves totally. After the summer season, when the days becomes cold, at that time the trees may shed their leaves. The trees shed their leaves, isn't it? Again, they may, one of the season, all the trees shed their leaves, shed all the leaves. Only the branches will be. One of the Ritu in the spring season. In the spring season, all the trees may shed their leaves. Shed their leaves. And in the next season, in the next Ritu, again the tree has new leaves. The tree may get new leaves. అన్ని ఆకులన్నీ రాల్చేస్తుంది. రాల్చి మళ్ళీ కొత్త ఆకులు వచ్చేస్తుంటాయి. అప్పుడు అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తారా మీరు ఇది? Did you observe that? Here is a lesson for you. Come little leaves, said the wind one day. Come over the meadows with me and play. Put on your dresses of red and gold, for summer is gone and days grow cold. The wind is calling. The moving air is calling. Moving air never pilustundi. The wind is calling the leaves. The wind is calling the leaves. Come little children. Come little leaves. Come little leaves. You must drop down on the meadows. Meadows means on the ground. You must fall down on the ground. Come over the meadows and me and play. We both will play. Come little leaves, you must shed down. You must fall down. You must fall down on the meadows. We both will play. ఆకులు కింద రాలాక బాగా గాలి వేసింది అనుకో ఏమవుతుందిరా, అవి ఎగురుతూ ఉంటాయి. గాలి వచ్చినప్పుడు అంటే విండ్ వచ్చినప్పుడు పైకి కిందికి గాలులు ఎగురుతూ ఉంటాయి. అందుకంటుంది ఏమంటుంది విండ్? We both will play. When you shed down, when you fell down on the meadows, when you fell down on the meadows, we both will play. When I blew up, you may come up, no? Understand me? అది గాలి వచ్చింది అనుకోరా, ఆకులు కూడా గాలితో పాటు ఎగురుతూ ఉంటాయి, అవునా? That's what we both will play. You and also I both will play together. You must calm down on the meadows. must fell down on the ground. You must fell down on the ground. గ్రౌండ్లో పడిపోయండి. దానికి ముందు ఏమైతే తెలుసారా మీకు? ట్రీస్ లీవ్స్. ఫస్ట్ లీవ్స్ యాక్చువల్గా గ్రీన్ కలర్లో ఉంటాయి. మెల్లిగా ఏ కలర్లో మారుతాయి? రెడ్ కలర్లో అవుతాయి. దెన్ బ్రౌన్ కలర్లో అవుతాయి. దెన్ దే మే ఫెల్ డౌన్. Some leaves are in red color and some leaves are in turned into gold color. Brown means gold. The green color leaves when they are going to fall down, when the tree is shedding their leaves, when the tree is shedding their leaves, a tree దాని ఆకులన్నీ షెడ్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? మెల్లమెల్లగా గ్రీన్ కలర్లో ఉన్న ఆకులు రెడ్ కలర్లోకి వచ్చేస్తాయి. ఓకే, ఆఫ్టర్ రెడ్ కలర్ ఇట్ విల్ టర్న్ ఇంటూ గోల్డ్, మీన్స్ ఇట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు ఫెల్ డౌన్. ఆకులన్నీ చేంజ్ కింద పడిపోవడానికి ముందు ఇలాంటి కలర్ చేంజ్ జరుగుతుంటాయి. చూస్తారా? అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తారా? ఇన్ అవర్ స్కూల్ దట్ some of the trees are there now. Almond trees there. Almond leaves may turn it into green color. So, may turn it into red color first before shedding their leaves. Almond tree leaves, not only almond, all the tree leaves may turn it into red color first. After that it will turn into gold color. The red color turn it into gold, then they may fall down. Like that, the tree shed their leaves. Before shedding the leaves turn it into red and gold color. Understand me? Before shedding their leaves shed kodam mundu leaves red color, first red color lo change avutayi. After that they change it into green, gold color. Red color, after that it changes into gold color. After, when the wind blows, all the leaves may fall down on the ground. Okay? For summer is gone, summer is going. There now the days are winter. After the summer season we have winter season now. Now the summer is going, it is the winter season. So you must shed your leaves. You must fall down on the meadows. Who is calling? Wind is calling. Wind calling loudly. Wind is giving a warn to all the leaves. Okay? Soon as the leaves heard the wind's loud call, down they came, fluttering one and all. Moreover, and the brown fields they danced and flew, singing the soft little songs they know. They also like whenever they hear the loud call of the wind. Whenever the leaves hear the loud call of wind, they are ready to shed their leaves. Okay, the wind is calling them. The wind is calling the leaves. Whenever they hear the loud call of wind, they are ready, they are danced, they are happily coming down. They are happily coming down on the ground one by one. Slowly, one by one, all the leaves are shedding down falling down on the ground. Totally, the tree shed their leaves. When the wind is blowing, slowly one by one, all the leaves fell down on the meadows. The tree shed their leaves totally. Only branches are left over. Only the branches are left over. Is the tree no? Only the branches are left over. All the leaves fell down. All the leaves fell down on the ground. Amma, when they are fell down on the ground, what is the color of leaves? when they are fell down. When they are fell down on the meadows, so what is the color of leaves? Gold color. When they turned into gold color, they fell down on the meadow grass. Some red color leaves also fell down. The wind blowing. Wind బాగా గట్టిగా బాగా గాలి వచ్చిందనుకో రెడ్ కలర్ లీవ్స్ కూడా కింద జారి పెట్టేశారు. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ down there came fluttering and one by one over the brown fields they danced and flew, singing the soft little songs they know. When they are falling down, they're happy by singing a song. They fell down on the ground with the enjoyment. How the birds fly in the air. Okay, how the birds will fly in the air happily and freely with the enjoyment, which enjoyingly. Like that, all the leaves are fell down on the ground by singing songs, by flying in the air, by dancing and singing. They happily falling down on the meadows. Totally, the tree shed their leaves. Dancing and whirling, the little leaves went. Winter had called them, and they were content. Soon fast asleep in their earthy beds. The snow laid overlaid over their heads. It's winter season now. Slowly, all the leaves fell down on the ground. Okay. Whenever they fell down on the ground, winter has called them. Okay, and they were very happy. They followed the wind call. They followed the wind call and fell down on the ground. If all the leaves so fell down on the ground. Where they fell down? Where is the ground? On the earth. All the leaves covered on the earth surface. Understand? On the earth bed. This is the bed of them. Earth is a bed to them. Where they fell down? On the bed of the earth. This is the earth now. We are living on the earth. Where they fell down? They fell down on the earth. Earth is better to them. What is earth? Earth is better to them. They felt like that. All the leaves fell down on the earth bed. Earthy bed. Earth is bed to them. So they fell down on the earth. It's winter season, no? Amma, it's in the winter season. How are the days and nights? The days and nights are very cool, no? In the night time there is a snowfall also. Understand me? They shed their leaves. The leaves fell down on the earth bed. All the leaves fell down on the earth bed. It is the winter season. Winter season nights are too cool than the days. Winter season nights. Winter nights are too cool. మనకు రాత్రి బాగా చలిగా ఉంటుంది డేస్ కంటే ఎక్కువ, అవునా? ద నైట్స్ ఆర్ టూ కూల్, నో? ఇన్ ద నైట్ టైమ్ దెర్ ఇస్ అ స్నోఫాల్. మనకు తెలిసింది, మనం బయట ఏదైనా థింగ్స్ బయట పెట్టామనుకో తెల్లారి చూసేసరికి మొత్తం వెట్ అయిపోతుంది. ఎలా వెట్ అయిపోయింది? బికాస్ నైట్ దెర్ ఇస్ అ స్నోఫాల్. మీ డాడీ బండి బయట పెట్టారా, సీట్ కానీ బండి మొత్తం వెట్ అయిపోతుంది. లేదు మీ మమ్మీ బయట బట్టలు ఏమైనా ఆరేస్తుంది అనుకో బయట, తెల్లారేసరికి ఇంకా అవి వెట్గానే ఉంటాయి. ఎందుకు? బికాస్ డ్యూరింగ్ ద నైట్ దేర్ వాజ్ ఎ స్నోఫాల్. నైట్ మొత్తం స్నోఫాల్ పడుతూనే ఉంటుంది, అవునా? దట్స్ వాట్ winter nights are too cool than the days. వింటర్ నైట్స్ చాలా చల్లగా ఉంటాయి. అండ్ ఆల్సో ఆల్వేస్ దెర్ ఇస్ స్నోఫాల్ ఇన్ ద నైట్ డేస్. నైట్లలో ఎప్పుడూ స్నోఫాల్ పడుతూనే ఉంటుంది కదరా. నా వేర్ ద లీవ్స్, the leaves on the meadows means on the earth bed, they fell down on the ground. In the night, what is covered the leaves? The leaves, all the leaves are covered by the snow. Understand avutundi ikkada meeku? When they fell down on the ground, the snow covered them. The snow covered all the leaves. Whenever they fell down on the ground, ground పైన ఎత్తుబెట్టి పెట్టి పడిపోయారనుకో, పడిపోయిన వెంటనే ఏమవుతుంది నైట్ అంతా? ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ ద స్నో కవర్డ్ ఆల్ ద లీవ్స్. దానిపైన స్నో వచ్చి కవర్ చేస్తుంది. ఆల్ ద లీవ్స్ ఆర్ కవర్డ్ బై ద స్నో. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈస్ ద పోయం. Understand me? When the leaves shed their leaves, when the tree shed their leaves, all the leaves fell down on the ground. The leaves fell down on the earthy bed. Earth is bed to them. Okay? Whenever they fell down on the ground, soon after, this is a winter season, no? That's what the snow covered all the leaves. Okay? My poem is completed, Nana. Here, take the meanings. Meadows, grasslands, fluttering, move with a light irregular motion. Whirling, move rapidly round and round. Content, satisfied. Coverlet, cover. What is covered the leaves? Snow is covered the leaves, isn't it? Okay, the poem is completed, Nana. Now take the grammar part. Here, transitive verb and intransitive verb is given. Transitive verb. What is a transitive verb? What is a intransitive verb? Transitive verb. Do you know what is a verb? Here examples are given. I called Raju. I called Raju. Now what is the verb here? Verb. What is the verb? Called is the verb. What is the verb? Called. What is the verb here? Called. Called is the verb. Subject plus verb second form plus object. Okay? A verb which is having the direct object. A verb which is having the direct object is the transitive verb. How do you know the direct object? If you question yourself, who or whom? If you question yourself, what or whom? What or whom? To find out the direct object, we have to question yourself, what or whom. If you question yourself, that is a direct object. Here, I called Raju. Whom I called? Raju. Raju is the object. You know subject and object, no? Who called Raju? I is a subject. Who one question is going to watch subject? If you question yourself by asking the questioner of who, if you question yourself who, that is the subject. Here I is the subject. Called is the verb. Whom I called? Raju. Raju is a direct object. Raju is the direct object. A verb which is having the direct object is the transitive verb. A verb which is having the direct object. How to question yourself to get the direct object? By asking what or whom. If you question yourself by what or whom, whom and question చేస్తున్నాం అనుకో ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది కదా. The answer is the direct object. That is the direct object. A verb which is having the direct object is the transitive verb. One more example. Mohan teaches piano. Mohan teaches piano. Amma, who teaches? Mohan. Mohan is the subject. Okay, teaches is the verb first form. Now we have to get the object. It is a direct object or indirect object. How do we have to question? What or whom and question chedemo direct object. If you question yourself by asking what or whom. Mohan teaches piano. What Mohan teaches? We can question ourselves by what or whom. What to question చేసుకోవచ్చు లేదంటే whom to question చేసుకోవచ్చు. Okay? What teaches? What Mohan teaches? What Mohan teaches? Piano. Piano is a direct object. Here, teaches is having the direct object. Teaches verb kadra. ఈ verb కి direct object ఉందా ఇక్కడ? How? That's what teaches is the transitive verb. It is having the transitive verb. One more. Sohan spoke to Arjun. Sohan spoke to Arjun. Sohan spoke to Arjun. Who spoke to Arjun? Sohan is the subject. Spoke is the verb or the second form. We had a question by what or whom. What Sohan spoke? It's not correct. Whom spoke? Sohan spoke? Whom Sohan spoke? Arjun. Sohan ఎవరితో మాట్లాడతాడు? Arjun. So Arjun is a direct object. If you question yourself by asking the what or whom, you get the answer, no? That is the direct object. Here these are all having the direct objects. I called Raju. Raju is the direct object. Mohan teaches piano. Piano is the direct object. Sohan spoke to Arjun. Arjun is the direct object. These all the verbs called, teaches, spoke. These three verbs having the direct objects. So these verbs are transitive verbs. These three verbs are transitive verbs. Understand? A verb which is having the direct object is a transitive verb. Understand me? Next, intransitive verb. Next, intransitive verb. What is intransitive verb? A verb which is having no object or no direct object. A verb which is having no object. Here example, Naresh paints. Naresh paints. Naresh paints. Amma, who paints? Naresh. Naresh is the subject. Paints is the verb, first form. What Naresh paints? Whom nourished parents? But to get the direct object, we have to ask either what or whom. Ante kada? Direct object. If you get the direct object means we have to question yourself either what or whom. మనకి డైరెక్ట్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ రావాలంటే వాట్తో కానీ హూమ్తో కానీ క్వశ్చన్ చేసుకోవాలి. What nourished parents? Is there any answer? Is there any object? No. Whom nourished parents? Is there any object? No. A verb. This verb is not having the object. A verb which is not having the object is the intransitive verb. No object. Here is no object. Ikkada object ledu. A verb which is not having the object is the intransitive verb. Second one. He run. Who run? He. Subject. Run is the verb. Where he run? Sorry. What he run? Whom he run? Is there an object? No. No object. Means this is the intransitive verb. Run is the intransitive verb. Next. She slept. Who slept? She. Subject. Verb. Slept is the verb first. Verb second form. What she slept? Whom she slept? Is there any answer? No object. So these paints, run, slept. These are the intransitive verbs. An intransitive verb doesn't have the object or direct object. Here object is not there. So these are the intransitive verbs. Here there is no object. Is there an object? Naresh paints. What he paints? Whom he paints? Is there anything? No. No object. The verb which is not having the object is the intransitive verb. These are the intransitive verbs. Paint, run, slept. These are the intransitive verbs. Okay. Next. The sun sets. What? Whom? Object is there? No. Intransitive verb. The horse galloped. What galloped? Whom galloped? Is there an answer? Object is there? No. So intransitive verb. Ravi fell. What he fell? Whom he fell? Is there any object? No. So these are the intransitive verbs. These are the intransitive verbs. And one more example, Sunna. The museum opens at 9 a.m. The museum. The museum. The museum opens at 10 a.m. The museum opens at 10 a.m. Amma, who opens at 10 a.m.? Museum. Or what opens? Museum. Museum is a subject. Opens is the verb first form. Amma, direct object college and any question tesukomanna. What or whom? What opened? Is there any answer? No. Whom opened? Is there any answer? No. Means it is not the direct object. What to whom and question తీసుకుంటే వచ్చేదే direct object. If you question yourself, what opened? No answer. Whom opened? No answer. When it was opened? When opens? Then we have the answer 10 a.m. This is the object. If you question when, మనం when the question తీసుకుంటే వస్తేనే ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది కదా. When it opens, when museum opens at 10 a.m. So this is not the direct object. It is the indirect object. If It is the indirect object. One more example. A man jogged down the street. A man jogged down the street. Down the street at dawn. At dawn. Amma. Yeah, who jogged? A man. Subject. Jogged is the verb, second form. Mara direct kavalante em question chesukovali. What he jogged? No answer. Whom he jogged? No answer. Where he jogged? Down the street. Ela question తీసుకుని వచ్చింది where. When he jogged at dawn time. When? If you question what and whom, you are not getting the object. When you question where and when, you are getting the answer. So they are the indirect objects. These both are the indirect objects. Understand me? So these are the intransitive verbs only. Because don't have the direct object. Don't have the direct object. Direct object లేదు ఇక్కడ. So these are also intransitive verbs. These are also intransitive verbs. Only a verb which is having the direct object. Direct object ఎలా క్వశ్చన్ చేసుకోవాలి మనం? What or whom? Then only that is the transitive verb. A verb which is having no object or a indirect object, that is the intransitive verb. Okay, today's class is completed, Nana. Bye.